See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Luno don dey go prison. Don dey there for. They go dey there spend the Easter. Luno go spend Easter for there.
Yes.
So we go escort Bilod now.
Yes.
We are escorting him. Put it here. We will escort Bilod now and they go prison. He's going to spend Easter there. What did he do? He impersonated me. Used my image to do advert. Unapproved. Unapproved. He put a big board of my face. Unapproved. All of this. He claimed he paid me 500 million naira. You understand? So now we will go prison. He say, "Now be the old ground. I get money. We go escort him. Now we want to escort and go drop for prison. So we are all going to go. This is the Black Maria where it is. You understand? So all of us will go prison now. Alpha, go escort this man go prison. All right. So as you can see, I am escorting Bilod to Kuje prison. We don't do road to Kuje. Show them where Bilod is inside the Black Maria. Show them. Very good. Come back. So I want to make sure that I see him enter inside that prison. You know, saying say call, pass call. They say there's no ignorance in the law. This is not defamation. Me, you can insult me, insult my mama, just the way they always do. Call my mama a shower, say a lot of things. You know, they say I be a gigi, I sleep people. All those one no be problem. But when you want to be criminal, no, that one ain't problem there. So today, he was arraigned in court. So we were all in court. As we called, they read all his charges to him. When they read all his charges, of course, he pleaded not guilty. So for the case to start, they don't remand him first. The case was adjourned, so he had to be remanded. So he's been remanded for 26 days. So we are going back to court on the 27th. So right now he's going to be in prison for 26 whole days. He could do Easter for prison. Now, what are the charges that they read out to him? That's him, Bilod. He used my pictures unauthorized. We didn't have any discussion, nothing. This guy carried my picture. First of all, he said I was his brand ambassador. That one passed. Again, this guy now used my face and posted it on his viewpoints. He used it and edited it with his viewpoints app and said that very dark man has approved viewpoints as the #1 app, me, without my permission. This same app, some persons are complaining that this app is scam them. Bilod say me approve him. Not just that, this guy went to go and forge a fake flight ticket and posted it online that we have an agreement that I was going to join him to go and launch Blunt Gadget in Onitsha. Because of the way he posted it, a lot of people believe that it was true. People come full Onitsha. Think say very dark man, they come Onitsha, which is not true. Other than that, this guy claimed that he trademarked Rattel, which is still not true. He went to go and open an app under Rattel. Do you understand? All of this, not true. Again, this guy went to go and do billboard of my face. Do you understand? Without my permission. Then there was another video where it was with this guy that his mouth squirts. This guy, the common speak for multiple name. Kataife. If they take Kataife, say, he paid me 500 million naira that he signed me to be his ambassador. All of this not true. Do you understand? All of these things are criminal. Don't be defamation where you go insult person. No, these are criminal. And what do I do on social media? I catch criminals. Do you understand? Do you understand? I catch criminals. So right now, we dey go courts. We dey go prison. One make sure say enter. Not just that. No, Nigerians. You see this country, we need to know. This is also an awareness. Imagine say you wake up in the morning, come see yourself for billboard without your permission. Come on. Or just the way they do, carry my picture, carry and put everywhere. You don't understand? I say, no. If not like that, people know they get brand ambassador. Davido, Whiskey, Burna Boy, them. All of them, they know they do brand ambassadorship now. You could just carry anybody picture. Do you understand? So me, I cannot build my integrity for a long time. I said I don't do promotion, I don't do advert. I don't bounce more than 700 million naira for adverts when I no agree do. Ambassadorship deal, I bounce them. Then you go carry my face. Nobody say you even carry and do it. You carry and go promote an app where people they complain, say they scam them. Let's take him to prison first. Show them. We they go to jail now, go jail with them. He inside there. You know fit talk. You see me, see. You know the craziest part? All the noise this guy they make, all the noise. You see me for call, you know fit talk. He they look like Dundee. He just bow his head. I can't look and say, come, I thought this guy have balls. You don't understand? He can't cool because he never thought in his life say this thing will happen. That guy where they broke shame, say they one room. Where they broke shame, hey, no get level. Call, pass call, where they make noise. You don't say today. Now you they go prison. You are going to the prisons. They're escorting you. You will spend Easter there, then you will learn. And a lot of now one say, okay, one at the ginger at that time, one prepare to come give them food for Easter. You understand? You cannot be ignorant of the law. Defamation is different from criminality. You understand? If you insult, but say you won't be thief. Say you won't be thief, you know what? Show them again. You're not near there. We are going there. Oh, see our beautiful army. Show our army. Our beautiful army. They go secure town. Understand? You know, say all this prison warden. They don't know say we dey follow them. That's why they keep this town. But this is a federal road. You understand? Freedom of movement. I can visit the president and I'm like, you go carry my lawyer picture, Basha. He post up. He say ex-convict. That one send that message. He say retract it. He say baby lawyer. Today now that baby lawyer there in front. You see him now. You see him. I say they say they want bribe. They say they bring out how many millions. Say they want share. And they tell them to say, this is my new IG data. It's not be those that IG where any small thing I don't call their PSO now call them for 7th floor. This one they know they take bribe. The law is the law. You understand? And this is an opportunity. I'm seeing the future with this new IG. Olatunji Rilu and this. Honestly, I'm seeing the future with him. That the poor men, poor masses go get. Imagine say not be very dark man. This guy do this thing too. Just imagine. He go get away with him because he get the money too. You understand? And me, I know they give bribe. We show them the law. We show them the law. You understand? We show them the law. You understand? Wait, may this guy no see you. Maybe this prison warden no think say they record them. No say they don't know. They no code. Just pay. Just pay. You just follow them. Kurukewe. Just pay. Damn. You on this thing. Wait first. Stop to the record. Stop. Do you know who is in that car? It's Billard. They are taking Billard to prison. Yes, he's going to prison. Yes, he's going. Alright, so we don't near prison now. Show you. We don't escort Billard reach prison. So we go see wait. We go wait make him enter. Make all of them enter. You understand? So we escort them now. So zoom that thing inside. Come back. See, I carry Billard. Don't drop for free. Yeah. You know Billard, Abi? Yes, sir. Yeah. You know say go do billboard with my face without my permission. So I don't send and go prison first. Okay. So while we go do party, hey, give them 2 bundles, make a drink. Yeah. You start that everywhere. Yeah. Come in there, move. Go. Me and my lawyer, Masha.
I want to snap with the staff. Very dark man.
Wait. Come.
Okay.
Masha! Where Masha? Tell Masha may come down now. Masha! You don't do now, we don't already send and go now. Why? Why? There's no party, no waiting. There's no say no video now. Don't escort Billard, come prison. Come Masha baby lawyer.
You understand?
I will don't escort her come prison. So we go wait 26 days now. We dey 26 days. You go spend this time for here. So you did there. So sadly we no fit follow am. So we go dey go. We don't try.
Billard is here now. For now, Billard is in kitchen.
Hey,